Have you ever tried opening Google Chrome on your Android phone, only to find that it just won't open? Maybe the app shows the logo briefly, and then crashes, or nothing happens at all. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and the good news is that you can fix it, easily, and for free. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to fix Google Chrome that won't open on Android. Whether it's crashing, freezing, or just refusing to launch. 1. Restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can solve many issues, including app glitches. Steps. Hold down the power button on your phone. Tap, restart, or reboot. Once the phone turns back on, try opening Google Chrome again. 2. Clear Chrome's cache and data. A corrupted or overloaded cache might prevent Chrome from working properly. Here's how to clear it. Open your Settings app. Tap Apps or App Management. Scroll and find Google Chrome. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data. But if you're clearing data, resets the app to default settings. If you're signed in, Chrome will resync your account when you open it again. 3. Update Google Chrome to the latest version. Older versions of Chrome may contain bugs that have already been fixed in newer versions. To update Chrome, open the Google Play Store. Search for Google Chrome, tap Update if available. 4. Check for Android system updates. Outdated system software can sometimes interfere with apps like Chrome. How to update your system? Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on About Phone, then click Software Update. Tap Check for updates and install if one is available. 5. Uninstall and reinstall Chrome. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Chrome. To do this, open the Google Play Store. Search for Google Chrome, tap, uninstall, or remove updates for system apps. Then tap Install or Update again. Now you know how to fix Google Chrome not opening on Android phone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.